Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your My AI avatar on Snapchat. So basically if you want to completely adjust your avatar then here's how you can do that. So first of all head over to Snapchat just like this, and then right here what you want to do is you want to head over to chats of course in order to actually see your My AI. Once you've done that, what you can simply do is click on My AI just like this, and then right here if you just scroll down a bit you will find Customize where you can click on, and then you can either customize its outfit or the entire avatar, so that's what I'm going to do. Once you've done that, just pick which one you want to change and just click on it, and then right here you will basically be able to change the entire avatar just like your Bitmoji. You can change your skin color and all those kind of things. Yeah, it's really easy to actually do that. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.